Welcome to section 5, exporting for social media and print. Just as the previous section said about exporting into JPEG or PNG for best quality settings. And here we do have for social media, you can use JPEG or PNG, and you can use TIFF or PDF for high resolution if you want to print. And then you can go to, by doing that, you can go to file, export. You can do save for web. And then in terms of social media, you can do save for web. And then we follow the other process which we did by choosing either we are going 24, either we are going by 24, PNG 24, or JPEG itself, or GIF. We can choose whatever format we want. But the rest of the other format that you can't find, I will show you how to achieve that. You can come to File or come to Save As. Shift Control S will allow you to do that as a shortcut. You can see that right here. So when you click on that, or you Shift Control S, and then you can come over here and you see we have the TIFF, and we have PDF, and so many others. So I believe with this few basic understanding about Photoshop, or this tutorial on this course, you intend to understand how Photoshop works in general. So with all the techniques that we have learned, I'm going to make a bonus section for you so we can go and create new designs for ourselves. Bye bye.